color train, chugging down the rainbow lane. First stop, what do we see? It's a world of red for you and me. Red like apples, red like roses, red like a fire truck, see how it glows. Hop on board, don't be late, the color train is feeling great. Choo-choo! Next stop, orange land. Pumpkins dance and wave their hands. Carrots grow so big and bright. Orange is such a happy sight. Orange like pumpkins, orange so sweet. Orange like tigers with stripy feet. Hop on board, don't be late, the color train is feeling great. Choo-choo! Now we're stopping, what's that hue? Look around, it's shining blue. Blue like the sky, blue like the sea. Blue like a bird flying free. Blue like blueberries, blue so cool. Blue like water in a swimming pool. Hop on board, don't be late, the color train is feeling great. Choo-choo! Here we are in a world so green. Grass so fresh and leaves so clean. Green like frogs and peas so small. Green is a color loved by all. Green like trees, green like vines. Green like grapes hanging on a line. Hop on board, don't be late, the color train is feeling great. Choo-choo! Last stop, now it's yellow bright. Sunshine glowing full of light. Bananas, ducklings, and buzzing bees. Yellow is a color that makes us please. Yellow like lemons, yellow like gold. Yellow like stars, shining bold. Hop on board, don't be late, the color train is feeling great. Choo-choo! Colors, colors, we love them all. Big ones, bright ones, short and tall. The color train will ride again. So come on back, my little friend.